Bitcoin trades below $63,000, Ether stays above $3,000. Binance to return to India after paying $2 million fine for non-compliance. Binance secures full virtual asset services provider license in Dubai. Bitcoin likely to drop after the halving, JP Morgan says. Arkansas House passes bills restricting crypto mining. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets are stacked against multiple headwinds, including gold, interest rates, and the lack of buying ahead of the halving event. The risk sentiment remained fragile in the face of higher for longer US interest rates. Bitcoin traded below the $62,000 mark. Shubham Joshi joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC50 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 3.2% at 76,500 points. Apparently, the price of Bitcoin slipped towards the $59,000 mark during the US trading session, while the largest cryptocurrency market value remained between $60,000 and $70,000 for a month after hitting a record high above $73,000 in the month of March. Well, focus is now shifted to the upcoming halving event, which will take place in the coming days with the generation of block number 840,000 on the Bitcoin blockchain. Well, this would result in the reduction of the new Bitcoin being mined and peddle the narrative of token scarcity and increase in its value. Interestingly, the current market scenario of interest rates uncertainty does not augur well for the crypto markets, which often thrives in a low rate, high liquidity environment. However, recent comments by the Fed Chair Jerome Powell have dashed the cut rate hopes. He said that the sticky inflation gave Fed little confidence to begin interest rates cutting. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's supply on the centralized exchanges is likely to run out, and hence it would become twice as rare as gold after the halving event, as per the reports published by the cryptocurrency exchange Bybit. Furthermore, the report details that there are only 2 million Bitcoins left on the cryptocurrency exchanges, and assuming a daily inflow of $500 million from spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, around 7,142 Bitcoins will be leaving exchanges reserves on a daily basis. While the global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.24 trillion mark, decreasing 3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 6% to $99 billion. Well, as per Bybit's report, Bitcoin stock to flow is currently around 56, while gold is around 60. After the upcoming halving event expected later this month, Bitcoin's stock to flow ratio will be doubled to 112. In other news, Chronos has reopened after a mainnet version 1.2 upgrade, enhancing decentralized application integration and the process. The upgrade also enhances RPC functionality and developer backward compatibility, allowing for the block difficulty to maintain DApp backward compatibility. Moreover, Singularity NET and MinSwap Labs have partnered to revolutionize DeFi on Cardano, combining AI and DeFi technologies to enhance the system and improve products and the solutions for the Web3 ecosystem. While talking about the US stock futures, they've rose after the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite logged a fourth straight day of losses. Futures tied to the S&P 500 increased 0.2%, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.38%. Talking about the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures, they were up by 0.15% respectively. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, was trading at $61,500, down 3.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2.8% and was trading at $3,000. Talking about other altcoins, BNB was down at 0.5% to trade at $545. Solana Sol was down by 6.3% and was trading at $130. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 3.4% to trade at $0.44. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $33, lower 3.5%. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading down by 6% to trade at $0.66. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 8% at $0.14. Shiba Inu was trading down by 3.2%. While Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.48, down by 2%. Last on the list, Polkadot was down by 1.2% to trade at $6.6.
Thank you, Shubham, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Binance Crypto Exchange is set to return to India after a 4-month ban by paying a $2 million fine for non-compliance. Binance will be the second overseas exchange after KuCoin to mark a return to the country after India's financial regulatory body blocked access to crypto exchanges for non-compliance. The Indian Ministry of Finance's Financial Intelligence Unit blocked access to 9 foreign crypto exchanges URLs and mobile applications, including Binance, in the first week of January for failing to adhere to the country's Anti-Money Laundering Act. Binance reportedly accounted for more than 90% of Indian crypto trading volume before its ban in January earlier this year. Indian users flocked to foreign crypto exchanges like Binance to bypass the severe tax impositions, which prompted the government to ban overseas exchanges not registered with FIU. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, said it has been awarded a full virtual asset service provider license by Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority (VARA), almost a year after entering the third stage of the Emirates' fourth stage process. Binance's local unit Binance FZE obtained an operational MVP license in mid-2023, a VARA filing shows. That allowed it to serve institutional investors and qualified investors while engaging in broker-dealer services and exchange services, including virtual asset derivatives trading. The full VASP license underlines Dubai's position as a forward-thinking city, acknowledging and embracing the financial potential that blockchain technology brings, Binance FZE General Manager Alex Chahed said in a statement. One condition of the license was for Binance's co-founder and former CEO Changpeng Zhao to give up voting control with the local unit. CZ is in the US awaiting sentencing after settling charges with the Department of Justice in November. He is expected to be sentenced on April 30th. The Bitcoin price is likely to weaken after the reward halving, a quadrennial event that slows the rate of growth in Bitcoin supply and looks set to occur around April 19th and 20th. Wall Street giant JP Morgan said in a research report on Wednesday the bank sees downside for the world's largest cryptocurrency after the halving because the market is still in overbought conditions, according to its analysis of open interest in Bitcoin futures. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency price of about $63,000 is still above the bank's volatility-adjusted comparison with gold, which sets it at $45,000 and its projected production cost of $42,000 after the halving. The Bitcoin production cost has historically acted as a lower boundary for BTC prices. JP Morgan also notes that venture capital funding remains subdued despite the recent crypto market resurgence. The Arkansas State House has passed 2 bills that could restrict cryptocurrency mining within the state. Although these bills have not yet evolved into full-fledged laws, they lay the groundwork for further discussions leading to potential legislation. In a Senate hearing on April 17th, lawmakers sought to address general concerns such as noise reduction, foreign ownership, and the proximity of crypto mines to residential areas. 2 of the 8 bills presented to the House on Wednesday passed, even though the Senate only approved 1 bill last week that addressed cryptocurrencies. This is considerable debate about whether Act 851 should be amended and the level of detail those amendments should entail. The committees will discuss the matter before potentially passing a law either in the current fiscal session or the next one. The proposed legislation aims to prohibit the establishment of crypto mining facilities and activities involving the creation, preservation, storage, and trade of cryptocurrencies. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu token holders have maintained their investments for over a year, indicating a shift in cryptocurrency investors' focus on long-term gains over immediate returns. The average holding period for Shiba Inu is 2 years, indicating significant loyalty to the meme coin despite fluctuating market conditions. SHIB's price has surged by over 92% since last year, but remains 74% below its all-time high. Only 58% of holders are in the money, based on current market prices suggesting investors are likely to hold their tokens in anticipation of future price increases. Next on the list, we have Cardano. SingularityNet and MinSwap Labs have partnered to improve DeFi on Cardano, combining AI and DeFi technologies to enhance the system and Web3 ecosystem products. The collaboration will optimize liquidity pools and strategic token incentives to increase adoption and usability. MinSwap has supported SingularityNet in its Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, and the collaboration will drive the crypto sector growth. The ADA and AGX prices are expected to rally, with the ADA price falling 1% and the AGX price increasing over 1% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Kronos. Kronos has reopened after mainnet version 1.2 upgrade, enhancing decentralized application integration and process. The upgrade also enhances RPC functionality and developer backward compatibility, allowing for block difficulty or block parando to maintain DApp backward capability. The RPC improvement introduces bug fixing and support for different EVM parameters. Kronos is a Cosmos SDK-based EVM-compatible blockchain that uses Ethermint for quick smart contract migration from attuned networks like Ethereum. The blockchain uses a proof of authority mechanism, and participants use the CRO digital coin for transactions. Next on the list, we have Arbitrum. Arbitrum Network is set to release 92.65 million ARB tokens valued at around $107 million, marking a significant shift in the cryptocurrency market. The release could potentially pressure prices and lead to a downward catalyst as buyers may quickly profit. The last unlocking event on March 16th saw the release of 1.1 billion ARB tokens, which constituted 41% of the total circulating supply. Arbitrum's price fell to $0.8 on Saturday, but it has since recovered. As investors flee the market to avoid exit liquidity, the price of Arbitrum faces further decline risks. Analysts believe that a potential sell-off wave could indicate a 10% drop, testing the psychological support of $1 level. If the price falls further, it could drop to Saturday's low of $0.8, a 25% drop from current levels. Next on the list, we have meme coin Slothana. Slothana, a meme coin inspired by Slurf character, has raised over $10 million in its crypto pre-sale in just 3 weeks. The official launch of Sloth token is set for April 29th. The token features a laid-back office worker with a smoking addiction and a desire to break free from the corporate grind. Investors can acquire Sloth tokens at a favorable rate of 10,000 tokens for 1 Solana, distributed via an airdrop. The 14-day countdown adds urgency to the pre-sale coining, with a favorable market environment for Solana.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.